Welcome again to my YouTube channel. Today I want to show you guys on how to convert euro to USDT stable coin. Euro is also a stable coin but euro normally go up and down at times. It's a fiat currency, but maybe you deposit in euro and you guys want to convert that euro. Either you deposit in dollar or euro, and you guys want to convert that euro to USDT stable coin. USD we normally use it for online stuff, any business we are doing online, and so we normally use USDT. So before we go into the video, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get a notification anytime, any day I release a new video like this on how to make money online. That is what I normally do on my channel here. So make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video and share this video. Okay, it's very easy. So this is how to do it. So this is my home page of my Binance account. This is the home page. This is the home page when you log into your we have home page, we have market, we have trade, we have feature, we have wallet down here. So you have to just click on the wallet down below here. Click on the wallet down below. Let me just show you again. You have to click on the wallet down below. How to convert euro to dollar. How to convert euro to USDT. That is what I want to show you right now on this video. So for either you have a dollar or euro, so just click on your wallet. When you click on the wallet, you have to go to sports. So we are in sports. So I have like 99.89 euro. This is the euro I have here. Can you see? I have so in euro is about in dollar is 99.89, but euro is about 90 euro. It's just in 9. Can you see? I just have 90 euro there. Okay, I'll show you how the way you can convert it to USD. So I have $99, but it's just in euro. It's just 90 euro I have there. So it's very easy, guys. So this is how, if you want to, then this is how to, if you want to convert it, can you see? You can convert that euro to USDT. Can you see? You can convert it to BUSD. Can you see? So I'll show you the step how to do it right now. You can even go to the market. You can go to market here and convert it. So okay, like that, or just search for euro to USDT. Just search euro. So okay, so you see something like this here. This is euro. This is euro. I've already then. Can you see? This is euro. Then if you want to, you have to just sell that euro to get USDT. You will now go to sell here down below. Click on that sell. Okay, that is the. I will show you different with how to do it. So then you now click on the. So if you want to sell it immediately, you will just click on this. We have to change that limit to market. Can you see? You have to change that limit to market. Okay, market like this. Then you now click on 100%. You will now click on this 100%. Can you see that 100%? So can you see? Then you now click on sell. Then it now sell immediately for you. It will now sell immediately for you. So let me show you another way how to convert it to USDT right now on this video. Okay, let me show you another way to convert it. That is the first way to convert it. So let me just go to the end page. You now go to your sports wallet. Click on the wallet. Click on the wallet here down below here. Click on the wallet down below. Then can you see this? You are in your spot. You are in your sports wallet. So then you have to just click on that euro you have here. Can you see? Just click on that euro you have. This is the euro. Can you see? You must be in your sports wallet. Let me show you different wallets we have. We have overview, we have sports, we have funding, we have margin, all those stuff. But just make sure the thing is on. This is overview. So you have to just make sure you are in sports here. Okay, make sure you are in sports. So this is your sports. So this is the euro I have, right? I have 99.9 euro here. Okay, I have 99.9. So sorry, I have 90 euro. So equivalent to dollar is about $99. Okay, so I'll just click on that euro I have. I'll just click on that euro. So So I want to convert that euro to USDT. Okay, I will now click on that euro to USDT. Euro to USDT. Let me just click on it. It will now take me to where am I going to sell it. So I'll just click on sell here. Can you see? I'll just click on sell. Can you see where I point? I'll just click on sell. So the thing normally be on the limit like this. So you have to just change this limit to market. That means it will sell immediately at market price for you. It will sell immediately at market price for you immediately. So when you change it to market, can you see? You have to select this market, okay? Can you see? You have to select that market, okay? Can you see? So you have to, can you see? That is where to change it. Either market, so it must be in market. So then you have to just click on 100% here. Click on this 100%, okay? So that you can sell all the one you have immediately for you. Then can you see? So can you see? Let me just show you very well. So make sure don't forget click on that 100%. So can you see? I have like $90 equivalent. So can you see? I have like $90. So that's 90 euros. Sorry. When you click on that 100%, you now click on sell. You will now click on sell euro. I want to sell that euro to USDT. Okay. Can you see? Or success. Can you see success? So I have to just go and check my wallet if the money has been changed to USDT. Can you see? The money has been changed to, can you see? That means this is 99.9. So can you see? 99.9. So the money has converted to USDT stable coin. Can you see? It has converted to USDT stable coin. If you want to check your order, just come to this area, click on more to check the order you have. You have click on the order here, click on maybe the order you have purchased, click on that order to check your transaction. You have to go for trade history. You know, I convert euro to USDT right now. Can you see? So can you see this is the trade I just did now? Can you see euro to USDT? Can you see euro to USDT? Can you see? So that's how to just convert your euro to USDT. So it has been changed to USDT. Can you see? 90 euro is now 99 euro. Can you see? That's how it works, guys. So that's how to just convert your euro to USDT. Thank you guys for watching the video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, share this video to your loved ones to know on how to convert your euro or any fiat currency to USDT. Thank you guys. Bye for now, guys.